Okay, so today I'm changing a door lock actuator in a 2005 Town & Country Chrysler Minivan on the sliding door. So I ordered this from Rock Auto. The part number is 746259. It's an ultra power door lock actuator. And so you just need to pull this off. Like this, just pull this off and then you'll be able to pull the whole door skin off. Alright, and then you can remove it. Of course you have to do this with the door closed. Alright, and remove the door knob lock. Keep pulling until it all comes off. See, make sure all the clips are in place. Let's put it aside. Alright. You need to peel back the moisture barrier. Looks like I opened this already. There's some tape here. Don't remember, but so you peel this back. I'll be right back. Okay, so I peeled it back. You remove this, and then this is the lock. Alright, so if you look in here, there's a screw that needs to be removed. Kind of hard to see. Let's see if I could zoom in a bit. That screw. Alright, that one right there. Alright, but you can't get to it from here. From what I read on the driver's side door, there's a hole for it, but for some reason there isn't one here. So I'm just going to drill a hole right around here. So here's the drill tool, and if you look in there, you should be able to see the screw hole right in there. Alright, I'm going to use a T30 bit to get it out. Okay, there it is. Be very careful you don't drop the screw down inside the door, otherwise you're going to have a lot of trouble getting it out. Now you can see you could pull it apart, pull it out. You could disconnect the fitting here. Okay, so just an observation. There's a piece of metal that goes inside here. So when you're installing this, make sure you capture it before you slide it in place. Alright, this hook here slides onto this metal bracket, so you just slide it on. Alright, and once again you twist it a little bit to grab the piece of metal. Alright, that allows it to the lock to open and close. Alright, and then when you're done with that, then you take this rod and you slip it into this hole, and then you just pull this direction to hold it in place. And don't forget to put your power connector back. Alright, and test it. So lock and unlock. Alright, and that's it. Just put everything back and you're done.